Automobiles are lifeline of the modern world, and the demand is growing. Thousands of new vehicles are added on roads every moment. Transportation of more and more people and goods to destination safely, reliably, and on time is of prime importance. Safe vehicles, in turn, rely on reliability of every component that goes within. Steel, an important component, constitutes every modern transport. The quality of steel used signifies the safety and reliability of a vehicle. From a nail to a locomotive, today steel is used almost everywhere and has become an integral part of our everyday life. Steel signifies the growth of a nation. Sunflag Iron and Steel Company Limited, manufacturers of world-class automobile, defense and engineering-grade steel. Sunflag Steel has established a formidable reputation for its excellence in quality, service and innovation in alloy and special steels market across the globe. The quality benchmarks are approved by international and national OEMs, thus fulfilling the demands of various industry verticals. Spread over a vast area, the state-of-the-art integrated plant at Bhandara in India produces superior quality special steel using liquid pig iron and sponge iron as basic inputs. Raw material such as iron ore lumps and coal are transported to the works by railway wagons. The direct reduction plants produce sponge iron from iron ore and coal for consumption in the steel melting shop. The sinter plant uses iron ore fines and mill scale to produce sinter from the mini blast furnace. The mini blast furnace produces basic grade hot metal for use in the steel melting shop, and the surplus hot metal is poured into the pig casting machine. The steel melting shop uses virgin metallic hot metal and sponge iron to ensure negligible tramp elements. The ladle heating furnaces have continuous argon purging in the ladle bottom through porous plug. In the vacuum degassing unit, liquid metal is treated for removal of gases. Effective degassing leads to high cleanliness, low gas levels, thus long and trouble-free component life. The continuous casting machine casts large and long sections. Turnover cooling bed ensures uniform properties. The ingot casting facility casts ingots of different dimensions and tonnage for high-end railways, defense, aerospace and nuclear applications. The blooming mill rolls blooms in round and rounded corner square cross sections of varied sizes. Water jet descaler removes scale for enhanced surface quality. The bar and section mill is a continuous rolling mill. Rolls alloys and special steels in rounds, hexagons, flats, wire rods through garrote and block. The wire rod block mill produces fine wire rods in alloy, carbon, spring, free cutting and stainless steel grades with desired metallurgical characteristics. The garrote coiler produces wire rods and coils. The alloy steel mill rolls rounds and round-cornered squares. Sunflag has facilities for heat treatment and production of bright bars, steel bars and wire rods in annealed, normalized, spherodized annealed, hardened, tempered and SAPPD conditions. The bright bars are supplied in peeled and ground and drawn and ground condition. They undergo rigorous quality checks such as phased array automatic ultrasonic inspection, magnetic flux leakage testing, and eddy current test before dispatch. We manufacture various categories of steel, such as microalloyed, engine valve, free cutting, cold forging quality, and ball bearing steel that find application in various critical components used by some of the best brands in the world. Our R&D laboratory, with sophisticated equipment, constantly innovates to find newer grades of steel, improve processes, and enhance quality. Our various qualified professionals have in-depth understanding of processes, products, and customer requirements. We stringently comply with all international HSQE standards and constantly impart training to our people with the goal of zero work-related accidents. We are committed to our people's welfare. For a better world and a sustained market leadership, Sunflag Steel remains committed to all its stakeholders. Sunflag Iron and Steel Company Limited, manufacturers of world-class automobile, defense and engineering grade steel.